Mastercraft takes pride in having the most customizable surf wave on the planet. But why should that matter to you? Hi, I'm Scott with Action Water Sports, and today we'll be discussing why customizing your surf wave matters, as well as tips and tricks on how to make your surf wave perfect this summer. Before we get started, let's make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more boating content. Now let's dive in. The first reason it matters is because beginners need a different wave than more experienced riders when they are first learning how to surf. Beginners should start out with a longer, more mellow wave. This allows more forgiveness when the rider falls back in the wave, which is important when learning how to build confidence and build up to a steeper wave and find the sweet spot. The sweet spot is where a rider stays within the wave, feels the push, and ultimately drops the rope. The next reason why surf wave customizability matters is multi-rider customization. Kids, teens, and adults need different types of waves based on weight and skill level. For example, a fully grown adult is going to require a steeper wave with more push as opposed to a young child who is just learning how to surf for the first time. More steepness and push allows that adult rider to find the sweet spot. With surf wave customization, you give both riders a great experience without being forced to make riders surf on a wave they're not comfortable with. A great example of this is Mastercraft's surf system, SurfStar. SurfStar allows you to select different profiles for different riders. When the profile is selected, the boat automatically adjusts the surf system for optimal performance at the push of a button. Lastly, surf wave customizability matters because of wave shape. For example, Mastercraft creates a J-shaped wave, and with this wave, it's easier to recover when falling back in the wave. By being able to customize your wave, you can extend the wave to create an even longer pocket so the rider can recover if they do fall back. This is one way Mastercraft differentiates itself from other manufacturers. One thing to mention is if you have an older surf system or no surf system at all on your inboard boat, check out this video here. In this video, you'll find some tips and tricks to get the most out of your boat and make your surf system great. Hopefully, this has helped you understand a bit more about surf wave customizability and why that matters. If you have more questions about surfing, surf systems, or boating in general, please visit your local Action Water Sports or visit our learning center at actionwater.com. Until then, we'll see you on the water.